Hi Bare Beauties, it's Hailey, and today I am going to do a video showing you guys the new bareMinerals Gloss Balms, which I'm so excited about. They are one of my favorite products. It's really sheer and shiny like a lip gloss, but it feels soothing just like a lip balm. I love this combo of a gloss and a lip balm. The first one I'm going to start with is the clear. You can really get in there with this product. So hydrating and so nourishing and smooth and silky. The next color I'm going to show you guys is a pink. It really feels like this beautiful silky smooth texture. This one is more of a coral color. As you can see, it has a little bit of like this sparkle to it. The next one I'm going to show you is the nude color, and I really do love a good nude gloss. And again, it goes on just like a gloss, but moisturizes like a balm. It's so good. And the last one I'm gonna show you guys is a berry color. This also has like this tiny little hint of sparkle to it. This one also, I feel like complements my natural lip color, which I really love. I'm gonna just build it up a little bit because I'm obsessed with the color. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next time.